On days like today, you can't pay the guys from sanitation enough. Yeah, it's cold, but the wind is bananas.
On windy days like this, like when you got a whole lot of recycling in boxes, sometimes the wind will just take a whole box and just blow all the trash out on the street.
Now listen, we all know that some little nooks and neighborhoods are funkier than others. This wasn't clean yesterday before the wind swept up. We know that. But that's not what we're talking about. It is garbage and recycling day north of Spring Garden. People put their trash out and go to work. The wind gusts up over 50 miles an hour and chaos ensues. That's what we're talking about. Nikita Alford reminded me to be the change I wish to see in the world.
It would be nice if every tenant can go around and just pick up trash. Don't worry about just picking it up for yourself, but just pick it up.
All right, fine. I started on Brandywine between 10th and 11th, where cans and crap were scattered everywhere. Stand them up, fill them up, probably not much good, but it made me feel better. Even as plastic bags whipped down the windy street and trash tornadoes stalked me. I did the same thing over on Green Street, and I put the cans against the wall. There's no guarantee, by the way, that they wouldn't get blown over again.
What makes you think that you're not going to be back out here doing it again? I mean, maybe it will.
Yeah, for sure, because the wind is going to continue to blow. There's something we can't control.
I couldn't get through to the streets department, but licensing and inspection says to tie down everything you can in conditions like these. Josh Hill was on his way to class, and he says the only people who can clean up our neighborhood is us. After all, he says, it doesn't just disappear.
This trash is going to end up somewhere.
Right.
Like, if it just blows off, it's not like it disappears once it gets from out of my vision. Like, it's on the street somewhere. Like, it ends up in the sewer, it just messes everything up.
As for the wind, I'm at a loss, and I don't battle Mother Nature. But Reduce Recycling says that using reusable, refillable packaging helps, as well as avoiding double packaging, shopping at secondhand stores, and composting. All of those things reduce waste overall, and that gives the wind less to get a hold of and blow around the streets. I'm Hank, and that's my take.